Hello, creative crafters. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest from Stampin' Up. I'm so excited to share something truly special with you today, our amazing suites. Now, if you're new to Stampin' Up or you've been crafting with us for a while, suites are an incredible way to get a variety of coordinating products that work perfectly together. From paper to stamps, dies, and embellishments, everything is designed to make your crafting experience seamless and, most importantly, fun. Our 2025 to 2026 annual catalog is packed with a wide range of suites to choose from. And while we can't go through them all today, I've picked out a few that I think you'll absolutely love. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Boho Vibes Suite collection. This suite is all about fun, artistic elements with a touch of bohemian flair. It comes with the Boho Vibes 6x6 Designer Series paper, the Sunshine Vibes photopolymer stamp set and dies, and the muted palette dots. Just look how beautiful these products coordinate. The earthy tones and whimsical designs make this suite one of my new favorites. Whether you're creating cards, scrapbook pages, or home decor, the Boho Vibes Suite will definitely add a unique artistic touch. Next, let's take a look at the Kugi Inspiration Suite collection. This suite includes the Kugi Inspirations Designer Series paper, the Inspiring Imperfections photopolymer stamp set and dies, the joined together 3D embossing folder, and the flower accents. What I absolutely adore about this suite is the beautiful gold foil detailing on the patterned paper. It's perfect for adding a bit of sparkle and shine to your projects. And check out the joined together 3D embossing folder. It's a game changer. Just imagine the dimension and texture you can add to your cards. It's so easy to create something truly stunning with these products. Now for all the floral lovers out there, the Florals and Bloom Suite collection is going to be your new best friend. This suite comes with the Floral and Blooms 12x12 Designer Series paper, the Pretty Florals and Sweet Blooms photopolymer stamp sets and dies, the all-new 2025 to 2027 in-color flat pearls. The colors in this suite are Strawberry Slush, Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, Darling Duckling, Cloud Cover, Secret Sea, and more. They're bright, fresh, and perfect for adding a splash of color to your next project. Whether you're making cards, gift tags, or any other paper crafts, this suite is a must-have. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the beautiful Gallery Suite collection. This suite features the beautiful Gallery 6x6 Designer Series paper, the beautiful motifs and Gallery Blooms photopolymer stamp sets and dies, the Damask Designs embossing folder, the pressed flower motifs, and the basic beige 3/8 classic ribbon. The designs in this suite are inspired by classic art pieces that you might find in a gallery. Some of the patterns even come from the Library of Congress, while others were created by our very own designer. The textures and the styles and the attention to detail make this suite perfect for creating timeless artsy projects that really stand out. And there you have it, a quick overview of some of the amazing suites from our brand new 2025 to 2026 annual catalog. If any of these suites have caught your eye, be sure to reach out to your demonstrator today to get your hands on them. Trust me, they'll take your crafting to the next level. Thanks for joining me, and as always, happy crafting.